What's that?
Not my
Oh my god, scared me.
Wait, what happened?
Alright, so it's a new day. We are at Shali Temple right now. We're gonna head up to the top of Shali Temple and see what the view is like. Honestly, the view that we had at sunrise, just right before sunrise at our accommodation was absolutely insane. If you guys have seen the pics of, I'm gonna like post them real soon. You guys will see it. It's really super surreal. But right now we're just gonna explore Shali.
Good morning, YouTube. We are today at Shali Temple. I'm gonna show you how beautiful it is. Embrace the beauty, and we'll talk more later. See ya. Welcome
drone.
to
بعرف اوصل.
Welcome
لا ده كان في شارع كده فبكمل مش عارف ايه. This is the old Siwa.
The old Siwa.
Oh, this is the oldest Siwa. So the Siwian was living here like since maybe like 700 years.
700.
I think the age for this place is 700 years.
Damn, okay.
Yeah, and that mosque, when the Islam came, they built this mosque, and this is the oldest mosque in whole
This
Siwa.
one?
Yeah, it's the oldest one.
Right, so we're at Shali Temple right now, just exploring the place. It looks really, I don't know what's the word to describe it, but it's just not something I'm used to seeing. I went to Greece before. Obviously it's like surrounded by whitewashed walls and everything. This is somewhat different. I mean, it's definitely different. It's a really whole different experience here, and honestly I'm just like literally getting lost around this area. But yeah, this place is amazing. I'm just trying to find my way to the top. But it's like a maze in here, honestly. Alright, made it! This is the top of Siwa's temple. Pretty sure it's the top of Siwa as well. Yeah, and just enjoying the views here. Not a view that we are used to, obviously. Coming from a metropolitan city like Singapore. Being able to explore and see these sights every once in a while, it's definitely a blessing. I'm more of a sights person than I am a food person. Sorry for all the foodies out there, but sights, sounds, experiences, culture and all that kind of stuff, I think those are what I live for, especially when I travel. But now we're gonna hit for some brunch, and then we'll be heading to the salt lakes. I think this is a really unique one that I'm really looking forward to see, and really excited to show you guys that, so stay tuned. Means I'm definitely out. We just had some food and now we're moving off to the salt lakes.
Salty.
Salty. How salty are you, Davies?
100% salt. Yeah, I'm salty as hell.
So you're gonna float in the water later, yeah?
Yeah, you wanna taste me?
مرزق انت كل ما نخش صحراء تلاقي لك واحده ولا اتنين. Salt is ready to get it out. And what is so clear when they just get the salt out. So the most clear one when they get the salt out. So new New ones, huh? Yeah, new ones.
What color is that? Pink?
Well,
Like
blue.
Blue ones are the
blue
clear
one is
ones.
new. Pink
Yeah.
is the salt is ready.
Oh, okay. Why are some of them like more blue and some of them more like turquoise?
Like blue is more like they just put the salt.
Yeah,
right?
just
like
new.
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just get the salt out. The blue one, that's the most pretty one of them, like because it's so clear.
Right.
And then when it get darker, it get older.
I see.
And the last color, as I say.
We out here, boy. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so yeah, these guys are putting on sunblock. As you can see, they're pretty white, and I'm the only dark one here. So I'm Malay. I don't need.
Yeah, but you know, we're all about UV protection and stuff.
We don't want to get skin cancer.
Exactly.
You
Yeah.
know, skin cancer
Let's-
is really bad.
You gotta live like the ancient dudes. You know what I mean?
take his advice however you want it, but please UV protection very important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm bringing sexy back.
Yeah, Hassan is just it's a distraction behind. It's just supposed to be the two of us. Right, look at this. You can literally float on the water. We can just.
I'm helping them film a BTS shot. Yeah, so I just want to run.
Look who got salt. This is all salt. Move your head.
This is the epitome of being salty.
Literally.
But anyway, this is what happens after you go in the salt lake and then it starts to dry up. And then you just become a white little thing. Please focus on this side, yeah, not.
Alright, so now we're at the springs to wash off all the salt. Just gonna jump into this. So Hassan's gonna take the first jump. So FYI, this place is called Cleopatra and people come here to like, so it's like a public bath. And it's like, it's pretty surreal. It's like, you don't really see this kind of stuff elsewhere. I would say, I mean like, unless you guys have been to similar places, I haven't, but like, this is totally new for me. It's such a interesting experience, jumping into the pool like that in public. Just people just like watching you. It's like perfectly normal. So the reason why we came here to bathe is because we had to wash the salt out from the salt water lake. You know, because what makes you float is essentially the salt, and we were drenched in salt. His arm, as you could tell, his arm was literally
white.
Bathed in salt. You're prepared to cook, bro. Ready to eat.
I was like, what do you call that?
Season.
Season. Yeah, I was seasoned.
You were seasoned real nice, but we had to de-season ourselves by jumping into the pool and making sure like there's no salt on you and everything. Like you get clean, and right now we are clean, but Divas wants to get in and get another.
I forgot about my GoPro.
But yeah, it's been such an experience, man. Honestly, looking
Yes.
forward for more.
Red rice, rose
This is literally one of my favoritist food of the trip. Favoritist food.
Nice.
I've eaten this, but that's how it looks like. I'm a sucker for rice, chicken, potato, and soup. And we are in the Saharan Desert. Pretty sure it's the Saharan Desert. It's like the western part of Egypt. This is really near to where Libya is. Obviously like connected to the other African countries all around. If you look around, there's nothing like... Let me show you guys. practically nothing all around, just us and nature, I guess. But yeah, and it's so silent as well. It's like I'm not sure like the science behind this, but when you just keep quiet, you just hear nothing, and it's like the most silent environment I've been ever since I've been here, and it's just dead silent. All you could hear is just like either people talking from far away or nothing. You just hear yourself, and I feel like if any of you guys are into like, you know, self-reflection and stuff, I think this might be a good place. I'm not saying that you have to go to the Sahara Desert, but I don't know, might want to give it a shot. Yeah, I'm just chilling here before we get some dinner in the desert. I think we're gonna call it a day after that. But yeah, desert time, baby. Again, I have to say that this feels so good. I mean, like, some people might say it's not, but feeling the heat but not sweating. Dude, I'm wearing like all black, and even 2 layers here. I'm supposed to sweat, but if I'm not wrong, the temperature is like what, 25 degrees, and it's like really arid here. It's really dry, so you don't sweat much, and it feels good. I don't know, like, it's a nice feeling just not being able to sweat. I know that might not be good for like health reasons or what, but at least like what my body feels right now, it's nice. Like, there's heat, decent amount of wind, but you don't feel like you're sweating, you know, like, I think, or perspiring if you guys are really hard into English. But I really love it, you know. Just can't wait for like nightfall. As you guys know, in the desert, it turns from hot to cold, so that's why I'm all like prepared. But yeah, let's see how the night goes. But meanwhile, we gotta take some dope shots here.
But won't you stay? I got a battle here to fight. Don't know if I'll ever see the light on the other side.
Sahara Desert, 29 April.
Yes.
Signing out. Peace.
Peace. Bye, everyone. Bye, YouTube.
Are you going to take off? I take. After I get the tea. Thank you.
ده على حلفة بره ولا